Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my face, hi, welcome back. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Guys, my face, I know my face is swollen, but because I'm just woken up from sleep. I've been sleeping. Today is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I've been sleeping since the morning. I didn't even go to church today, but I want to do my first ever mukbang on this channel. Guys, today I'll be doing the spicy, let me show you guys, the hot chicken flavor ramen. Yeah, this is what I'll be doing today. I have 2 parts. I want to do it all by myself. I want to see if I'll be able to finish these 2 packs. Like, guys, I don't know how it's going to look like. I don't know, because I've tried this on my first channel, guys, with my friend. It was so spicy. It was so spicy. I finished it, but oh my god, my friend finished before me. But I want to try it all by myself. Let me just see how it will, how it will go. I want to go to the kitchen now to prepare it. Then after that, I will catch you up during the mukbang. Okay, see you guys shortly, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please watch till the end. So guys, I'm done preparing the noodles, guys. Or is it noodles? Yeah, it's noodles. Because I want to capture it. Like, it's so hot. Like, it's so hot, guys. It's so hot. It's so super duper hot. Like, whew. Let's see. Come, let's chop. Come, let's chop, guys. Tell me if you've ever tried the spicy noodles in the comment section, because this is my third time trying it, and I know it's going to be hell. Oh god. Okay, I think this tastes a little bit different from the other one. The other one, the red one, this one is the black pack. The red one, I don't know, but this tastes a little bit different from the red one. Guys, but to be honest, I don't think this is more spicy. The other one is spicy. This is not that spicy, guys. I'm sweaty like Christmas, but guys, I'm done. I'm almost done. I tried. This is super spicy. Can you see the plate? My own mouth is on fire. Can you feel it? So I'm going to be doing here pig milk, the liquid, because it's not funny. Oh, guys, I'm done. The empty plate. Sorry. Guys, wait, let me go and take the pig milk. I'm coming. I cannot come and kill myself. I'm coming, okay? So guys, this is what I'll be drinking, okay? Pig milk. Because after you eat, you need to drink pig milk, okay? Anyway, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And thank you for subscribing. My mouth is on fire. But it is what it is. Just to create content for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I will see you in my next video.